What's up, everybody? It is Saturday, about 4 o'clock. Right now I'm about to head home. I've been out here for 3 days out on the homestead, so I'm heading back to home base in Marana. I'm out in Benson. I have completed the outer perimeter of the upper fence, the upper 4 feet here. As you can see, all the way around here I have some welded fence wire. This is to keep my chickens so they can fly freely in their little enclosure here. It's about 1,000 square feet, so it's kind of big. Just hard, might be hard to tell on camera, but it's a nice size enclosure here. But anyway, so I did the perimeter there. I sealed the fence on this side, and this is probably the most interesting thing. What I did was I actually used motor oil to condition the side of this fence, and it instantly makes it water repellent, and it'll help it during the summertime. It's actually a really good way to reuse your motor oil after you're done with it. I've seen people do it on YouTube, so I figured I'd give it a try, and it works great. So that's what I'm going to do on the outer part of the fence. The inner part of the fence I'm just leaving as is, leaving it natural, so chickens won't be exposed to that. But anyways, I still need to put barbed wire every 6 inches here from the ground up. Eventually I'll be having some cement laid down here all the way around, kind of like a little walkway, and an electric fence will be going in around this whole perimeter too, because like I've mentioned before, I have a lot of coyotes out here. This side here, everything just got to stain it and do the barbed wire here. Here's where there's going to be a door, a nice entrance here, and this entrance is going to go all the way down to this. It would be like a little tunnel here for the chickens, but you can actually walk through, so it'll be at least 6 feet tall, and it's going to go into here. And once this is built up, this will be a nice chicken coop with a pitched roof on it, so it's going to look pretty badass, but it just takes a while to get this type of project done. So when you walk in here, it is really just kind of a workstation right now. So there's just a lot of, you still have a tent in here. I just leave the tent up for now because I'm going to be back here in a couple days. This is my little cooking station, and this is home base. This is where I sleep. Got a nice little twin mattress in there. This over here is where I'm going to be keeping them temporarily at night. I'm going to be reinforcing this next time I come out. That's what I'm going to be doing next time I come out. But this right here will be where they stay at night. I'm going to put another layer of fencing around the outside of this area here, and also just do some touch up on the outside for security. But yeah, they got to get out here, so I got to start moving them out here. So this is going to be their temporary spot, and this whole area back here I'm going to be dividing up into separate little pens, so I can separate the chickens if I need to. Maybe have like a quarantine section, and a couple other things, maybe some spots for roosters or whatnot. Anyways, so there will be a few of these dividers in here like this. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I had to cement in all these posts here. That's what I did today mostly. Right here there's going to be another gate. This one here is not going to be walkable. It's just going to be an access gate through the side here, so I need to open it up and let them out for whatever reason. Just that's what I've been doing. But this is going to be pretty sweet, so be a lot cooler once I have 100 chickens in here, but that's going to take a while. As you can see here, this is still left as is. This is my very next thing I'm working on, so really can't wait to get on this. This is going to be the thing that keeps them safe ultimately. So anyways, there it is. I will talk to you guys next time. Just doing my little journal before I drive back to Marana, and it's been a good week.